Find out what all the fuss is about on this half-day food tour of some of the best food in New Orleans' famous French Quarter. Food and history mixed together. Your passionate and knowledgeable guide will escort you to experience traditional NOLA samplings in the French Quarter, including a few commonly mentioned in cookbooks. You will sample a variety of authentic tastings. Depending on your food tour time, options may include traditional gumbo at a Creole restaurant, seafood or short rib po' boys, alligator sausage, muffuletta, jambalaya, char-grilled oyster, pralines, buttery praline cookies, and stroll past the famous Cafe du Monde. Learn about the rich legacy of fine food in the French Quarter and which hotspots to check out on your own later. You can even work with your guide to customize the tour to your interests or upgrade to a small group tour with no more than 13 guests. Please note tastings are subject to change due to current availability. Wheelchair accessible. Infants and small children can ride in a pram or stroller. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Infants are required to sit on an adult's lap. Transportation options are wheelchair accessible. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Additional languages may be available upon request, but are not guaranteed. We love what we do and look forward to your visit. Menu items and/or stops are interchangeable and may change without notice. Guide gratuities are excluded. Guide and host gratuities are always appreciated. This tour highlights set tastings and does not offer substitutions. Please advise us of any true food allergies. Note, many authentic Louisiana dishes include pork. Minors may attend our tours with a parent or guardian present. Parents or guardians may never leave minors unattended on any tour. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older to book.